Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. Mrigan Singh, consultant neonatologist at Healing Hospital, Sector 34, Chandigarh. Today, I will be talking about kangaroo mother care KMC. As in kangaroos, kangaroo mother carries her little one in the pouch to provide warmth and to protect the little one from the other animals. Same is in the case of humans. Kangaroo mother care is a direct skin to skin contact between mother or father or any other family member and the baby. KMC provides biological controlled heat source to keep low birth weight babies warm and stable. It was introduced in 1978 by Edgar Ray in Colombia. It is the most cost effective and useful strategy to enhance the survival of low birth weight babies in the developing countries. It is most suitable for stable infants who are born with a birth weight of 1500 to 1800 grams or a gestation period of 32 to 34 weeks. KMC can be KMC can be continuous or it can be intermittent or of short term. In India, we generally practice intermittent or the short term. KMC is started when when the baby is hemodynamically stable and has started receiving oral feeds. Before starting the KMC, mother and family members should be motivated and mentally prepared by healthcare professionals. Now we will discuss what is the procedure behind KMC. Before starting KMC, mothers should take bath daily, should wear clean clothes, and she should be free from infection. Before starting a session of a KMC, mother should wear an front open gown. Baby should be dressed with cap, mittens, socks, and a soakable napkin so that if the baby passes urine or stool, the KMC session is not disturbed. Baby is placed in between the breast in upright position. Baby's head is turned to one side in such a way that babies there is a direct eye to eye contact between baby and mother, and neck is slightly extended to keep the airway open. Arms and hips should be flexed and adducted to maintain a frog like position. To bottom and back of the baby is supported by a shawl or a binder so that it provides a complete skin to skin contact, and uh, maximum benefit can be taken with this session of KMC. Uh, a KMC session should not be less than 1 hour, and it can be continued uh, according to the mother's health and according to the mother's will. It can be given continuously for 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, but minimum it should be given for 1 hour. It should not be less than 1 hour. Now, what are the benefits of KMC? It provides infant mother bonding. It it gives a promotion to the breastfeeding and improved yield of milk. It stabilizes the vital signs. It gives warmth to the baby. It reduces the risk of infection. Babies cry less and they grow better. And there is a weight gain, and baby can and low birth weight babies can be discharged from the hospital with the help of KMC. Now, now the question arises that for how long KMC should be continued? KMC should be continued till the baby attains a minimum weight of 2.5 kg or 2500 grams. Now, always remember that KMC is a labor intensive and uncomfortable to mother, and she needs both emotional support and guidance from the healthcare professional and the family members for its success. Thank you. If you have any queries, you can message us so that we can reply you back. And we are always available at a healing hospital to provide you with good health. Thank you.